Okay, good evening. Starting with the US markets. US markets are all down 1.5%. VIX is up about 4%. So overall, markets are in panic, and there have been a lot of news. USD INR is at 80. Crude falls by 5%. It falls by 3%. It's at 93 now. TBW Bank Index is at 52-week low. Fed Governor Wallace says that he's open to larger rate hikes this month in June, and like larger rate hike than this month in June. So meaning like there can be aggressive rate hikes this month, and higher than the last month. US PPI inflation data, which is the price, which is the producers' price inflation data, is at 11.3%. Estimate was 10%, 10.7%, and previous was 10.8%. US initial joblessness data is at 244k versus 235k. Estimated was 235k. Now, first case of monkeypox is also reported in India. It's sourced in Indian National Institute of Virology. Then Goldman Sachs expects US-Saudi agreement to result in a modest increase in OPEC plus oil output. So that's why most probably oil is down. So coming to the chart. So that's it for the global news, and enough of the global news. So first zone, if I told you that this was a no trade zone, I hope you all might have listened to me. This was the no trade zone. We didn't take any trades here. This is Nifty chart, so I'll go through Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then I'll tell you about the open interest and everything. So let's say so for tomorrow, this will be an important resistance, and this will be an important support. Okay, if we start trading here, then we'll expect a volatile market, and I will definitely not be long in these markets. I'll be short. Okay, not literally, but you understand. Okay, we gave this breakaway gap, and then we saw some consolidation, then reversal. Yep. So currently we're in a downtrend, severe downtrend, and taken support here. We even breached this at one point, and so 15,000 got 16,000 again got taken out. So 16,000 is not getting held. So for me, 16,000 is no longer an important level, and now the important levels are this are the two important levels for me, and this will be the last important level. Okay. Now if I come to the charts, I'll come to the daily charts first. Come to the daily charts. As you can see, clear cut rejection, falling down, and nothing tells me that we can long this market right now, but we need to be extra cautious about what we are doing, what moves, because the markets are gonna turn volatile again, I'm pretty sure. And if you want, we can also draw this trend line here. There's no point drawing trend line. You can draw this trend line if you want. Yeah, you can draw this trend line here. Now this tested it 1 2 3 4 5th time we have tested it. 6th time, if we break it, then we can see some good downfall. And so yeah, that's it for my Nifty analysis. Now I'll show you one interesting thing. I need to see this for myself. I'll hide everything else except for the 20 SMA. 20 SMA is here. We can take some support from the 20 SMA. If I go to the 20 EMA, we have breached the 20 EMA right now. Okay, no, we are not exactly breached it, but intraday wise we broke it, and we've closed below it, right? 15,950 is it, but we have closed at 15,938, as you can see. So we've broken the 20 EMA, but we yet need to break this swing. So for me in Nifty, I told you I'll be bearish once 16,000 gets taken out. So for me, Nifty, for short term, I'm bearish. Okay, especially, but there's this one interesting fact that Reliance was up today because of this thing. What do we call? Because of the government trying to reduce the windfall taxes, but that is again just a speculation, and it's just by the reports. It's not been confirmed by the sources. So for me, I've given you the levels for Nifty, and I'll tell you what can we do if Nifty opens gap down flat, negative flat, positive for tomorrow. So looking at the global scenario right now, we'll have to wait for the global markets to close. Only then can we can take an important decision, because they were down 2% and now they're down 1.5%. So we can't really. The US markets are acting very wild recently. So let's say we open anywhere between here. What do we do? See, if we open anywhere between here, gap up or something, then we first draw a Fibonacci from here to here. Okay, draw a Fibonacci from here to here. And what do? We play these Fibonaccis and we play the pivots. Okay, breakout or breakdown between these pivots. A decisive move can be seen once we cross this, and this. Okay, this is if you open here, anywhere above 15,947 or above 15,940 level. Okay, so yeah, that is if you open gap up. If you open flat tomorrow, let's say we open here, we wait for this range to get taken out. If this range gets taken down, if this trend line gets broken, then we can see some good downfall, and we can maybe consolidate here, and we can take a trade based on the pivots and the stop losses in the market. Okay, that's it if you open gap up, flat to negative, flat to positive. If you open gap down, let's say we open gap down about how many points? 126 points will be here. So if you open anywhere between here, then I would suggest you that, give me 1 second, if you open anywhere huge gap down, like let's say, no, let me keep this, let's say here, if you open, we wait for this trend line retracement, and once this gets rejected here, then we can plan for a short trade, and then we'll have to play this lengthy range of 15,888 and 15,617. I know it's a very lengthy range, and I know the markets are again going to be volatile if that happens, but yeah, we have to deal with it. Based on the global situation, we are opening gap down. So if we open anywhere 100 points gap down or something, these buyers are going to get trapped. And we can see some shortfall. Expecting some profit booking as a retracement because this continuous selling. So even if we open gap up anywhere here or here, all these sellers will get trapped, and then we can see some green candle towards the upside. Okay, so that is if we open gap down, gap up, flat to negative, flat to positive for Bank Nifty and Nifty both. And coming to like, see, basically, if you know this if we are trading here, there are signs that we can probably break this swing low. We can probably break this swing low if we are maintaining these levels, because see, come on, like the markets took support here, formed a bottom here, huge consolidation, up move, down move, bulls are trying, bears are winning, bears are still strong, and then we can see easy bad move depending if the global markets are bearish as well. So net to net, I'm not too bullish in Nifty right now, and I think Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty, but we'll get through that analysis just in a bit. But for tomorrow, my trades are going to be very simple. If you open gap down, we'll wait for the rejection, we'll play the pivots, we'll play the stop loss hunting. If you open anywhere here, we know the sellers are going to get trapped, so it's either this or this. Okay, and if you open flat to negative, flat to positive, we need to wait for this to get taken out, the trend line to get taken out, and if that's not getting taken out, then we'll draw the Fibonacci from here to here. If the 0.5 is getting taken out, or if the pivots are telling me a long, then I'll go long. I know that this is area of area of volatility, so I'll be cautious. I'll play this range and I'll play this range. So my funda for tomorrow's trade will be very easy. Okay, this will be my important resistance, this will be my very important support. Okay, so that's it for my Nifty analysis. I don't think so there's anything left. I'll just open the tomorrow CPR for you to gaze upon, but it's fine. You can see it tomorrow also. Thank you. I'm doing Bank Nifty, come to Bank Nifty. Okay, so let me hide this, let me do this. Okay, Bank Nifty, interesting, definitely interesting. If I draw Fibonacci from here, recent swing low, not recent, but yeah, you get my point. If I draw Fibonacci from here to here, we have 100% taken a rejection from 0.5 level, okay, which is again a bearish sign. So here, if we are consolidating, and if we are given up move, if we make a double bottom and if we give an up move, then this is just a retracement. And I've told you time and again, till the time we are trading above this, I am still technically bullish. Okay, and till that, if we trade here or here, there are high probabilities this will act as a good resistance and we break to the downside. And if this breaks towards the downside now, this will be at least how many points, I'll tell you. Wait, if we break this now, it will be about 1000 points. Okay, so if we rally above 1000 points towards the downside, which is two bank nifty trendy trading sessions, okay, each of 500 points, one 500 point, second 500 point, or one 300 point, second 400 500 point. Okay, but still I will be bearish if we are trading here or here. Okay, till the time we are above this, I will still consider it as a retracement. So bank nifty looks technically positive, but the KBW bank index is at a 52 week low, not 52 high year, and the US data are not positive. The global sentiment is also not positive. So I don't know if the markets can are ready for an up move. Okay, they're still no doubt in pressure, so we have to wait for how that pans out. Okay, and that's it for that's it for the daily time frame analysis. Now if I go to the MA section, okay, moving averages, again, if we break this level, this level will be crucial for us. Okay, this market, this is a, I'll tell you why this is crucial. Okay, this is a good breakout candle with good volumes. This is a breakaway gap. Also, this is a 20 EMA also. So now I don't know what else can I tell you other than this, that so far this level, which is what this level has been, the breakaway gap. So obviously this is gonna act as a good support. So till this doesn't get taken out, I cannot create a negative stance in bank nifty. I'll just create a positive instance. Suppose tomorrow there is a green candle like this, and there's a fall of green candle. Obviously now this is just a retracement, and then we're continuing the bullish trend, but that is unlikely to happen. But you can't challenge the markets. So if we break this level, then we can see some good downfall, maybe intraday wise also. So watch out for that, please, and mark the levels 34,346. So coming to the situations in bank nifty tomorrow, if you open gap down about 215 points, about 200 points, if you open gap down, then we'll play the simple thing tomorrow. If we open gap down, this will be our no trade zone. Trust me, this entire thing, you don't want to get caught up in this. If we open gap down, I'll play this range and I will play this range, and only trades I'll take is this or this. I will not even take this trade or not even this trade. No, I will only take this trade and I'll take this trade. And it's fine if I miss out a good move. It's a Friday. Fridays usually I don't even go very aggressive on trading, because Fridays moves are very ugly. Only the last 1 hour I keep an eye out for, and the first 1 hour of Monday morning. But if we open gap down, I'll play this range and I'll play this range. Only thing I'll play is this and this. This also I will not give a lot of preference, because there are active sellers here. There is an important resistance also here. And if we go here again, this will be sideways to a volatile market. So I will highly avoid this. Best trade for me tomorrow will be this. This will be a very good trade. 1:3, 1:4, 1:2, whatever you want to do. I will personally go for 1:3 tomorrow. If you break this, I usually go for 1:5 to 1:2. But tomorrow, because this is getting taken out, a very important support, so that's why I can go short. And yeah, so that's if you open gap down. If you open anywhere between anywhere here, flat to negative, flat to positive, here, simple, we'll play this range and we'll play this range. Okay, and if you open huge gap up, let's say we open here, we play this range and we'll play this range. Markets are currently going in brackets continuously, and I know it gets annoying after a point, but you have to deal with it. These are the markets. These are meant to be like this. These are meant to mess with their heads, but know that if you're a successful trader, if you have proper risk management, then this is definitely not gonna affect you. So moral of the story, breakaway gap needs to get filled in order to go bearish. When breakaway gaps usually get filled, there are a sign of bearishness. So let's see how the markets perform tomorrow, and let's see where do we open. I'll quickly go through the CPR tomorrow's. Okay, so this is the CPR. Again, if we open gap down, we'll open somewhere around here, so we can maybe cling towards the support and maybe give a breakdown, or maybe we can cling towards the support here and we can give a breakout. So let's see how it works, and let's see how everything pans out for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for my take in Bank Nifty. If you open gap up, gap down, flat in, flat to positive. If you open slight gap up, then we'll obviously play our CPR. And yeah, CPR trades, I have usually stopped taking CPR trades now. Like I don't take breakouts and breakdowns of CPR, but I keep them just for targets and shit. So yeah, strategy update, Lamau. So that is if you open huge gap down, and if you open here again, I'll play this range only. So please, guys, tomorrow stick to the ranges. It's fine if you don't come out profitable tomorrow. No, it's not. Okay, yeah. It's fine if you don't take a trade tomorrow, but it's better to stay out of the markets wishing you were in the markets, rather than staying in the markets wishing you were out of the market. So basically, we'll play the ranges and we'll see how the markets pan out for tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's about it for the chart wise. I don't see any more interesting observations. If I want, I'll draw Fibonacci from here. I'll just experiment a little, go around experimenting, because why not? If you want to draw it like this, if you want to draw it like this, you want to draw it like this, you want to draw it like this. Okay, net to net, nothing. So 34,549 will act as a good support, followed by 34,346. The important resistance range has been shared with you. The important second resistance range has been shared with you. And let's say the markets open flat. Okay, if we open flat tomorrow, if we break this, and if we break this, then we can take a short. Bullish trade from here. This can be a stop loss anywhere here, and then we can expect some consolidation to positiveness here. And this will be our final target. If you are very greedy for targets, then that can be your final target, but I'll highly avoid that. We should just take a small profit tomorrow and exit. This is a seller's range, and it's not a seller's range, but it is in a range, and there are seller stop losses here, so the market can try to come towards the upside, but these stop losses are too far. So depending on where the market opens, how far the stop losses are of buyers and sellers, then we can take a move accordingly. Which kind of candle forms, this candle or this candle, which kind of candles form. I've told you time and again, in such candles, the sellers can sell here and keep their stop losses here, so the market comes towards the upside to eat them, and here the buyers keep their stop losses, so the sellers come to eat them. So this strategy has helped me a lot, and I have shared you the guy's name who's teaching the strategy was Intraday Hunter. You can check him out. I'm going to share his channel link right now. Intraday Hunter, I've shared it on my stream. Please check my stream chat, guys. No, my stream chat. Please check my Telegram. So yeah, alright guys, coming to the open FIDI data. DI is sold for 556 crores and DI is bought for 39 crores. Overall minus 247 crores. Coming to the this thing, open interest is not needed because it is Friday, but still. So 16,000 has good call writing. 16,100, 16,200, 16,300, all the way up to 16,600 has good call writing. Important supports for Nifty are 15,900, 15,800, 15,500. Coming to the Bank Nifty, this 21st July expiry, don't worry. Coming to Bank Nifty is about 34,700. It has good call writing for, right up to 36,000. 34,600 is immediate support. 34,500, 34,100 and 33,500 are important supports for Bank Nifty. So that's it. That's my take for Bank Nifty and Nifty, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this analysis, and yeah guys, so yeah, overall that's about it. I've given you the FID data, I've given you psychology. We'll go ahead with tomorrow. I've given you the good trades for tomorrow. I've given you gap up, gap down, flat indicator, flat to positive. I've given you almost everything. I've given you trade ideas. I've given you the ranges. I've given you the important levels. I've given you OI data, FIDI data. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it from my side. Thank you, guys. I love you all so much. Please take care, stay blessed, and I will meet you soon in Sunday's market analysis. Yeah. So let's meet you on Sunday. Thank you for everything. Bye bye, guys. God bless you. Love you all so much.